guys through the goal, just kind of willing your way in front of the net.
Yeah, I saw a little bit of gap there, just tried to use my speed, and lucky got by them, and just wanted to get one on net, and still managed with the goalie, but luckily this one counted.
At what point do you know you've got a lane?
I just kind of try and skate. I knew there wasn't that much time left, so just try and go for it, and lucky I had some speed through there, and like I said, lucky to get some space and shoot on net.
I admit it, when you ran in the goaltender, did you have a thought in your mind that it might not go?
Yeah, I was a little nervous. I didn't want to celebrate too hard because I knew there was a chance that maybe we could get called back. But once the guys jumped on the ice and stuff, it was it was a lot of fun and huge that to do points.
About that forming penalty kill there in the third, and you have all the possession, you get the ice is tilted in your favor, and you got to kill off 4 minutes. Take us through that.
Yeah, obviously unlucky bouncer, with the high stick and stuff, but I thought our unit did pretty well. Obviously Vasi back there bailing us out when he had to make some huge saves for us, and like I said, work as a unit, and from the D getting in lanes and blocking shots to forwards being aggressive and trying to get pucks down deep, and it was a huge kill for us, and got some men off that.
Is it hard not to get frustrated when you had the puck as much as you did tonight, and you look up in the third period, it's still a tie game?
Yeah, obviously the goalie made some really big saves, and they were playing good defensively, so I think our biggest thing is just to keep going, keep getting pucks on net, keep sticking to the way we have to play, playing the right way, and fortunately, still go in once in a while, and we just got to stick to it.
Get the puck. You got the puck after?
No, I didn't grab the puck. It's just another 2 points for us. It's on ours.